In a quiet forest edge, a lone learner notices how wind whispers through pines and guides safer movement. They test a simple shelter using fallen branches, learning balance and improvisation when daytime light fades fast. A pocket survival kit is explored not as gear list, but as a mindset for quick decisions under pressure. Listening to streams, birds, and distant thunder teaches risk assessment and the importance of timing in real-world practice. By tying observation to action, the day ends with confidence, not fear, proving education lives in nature's cues.